Hi, beloveds. If you're going through something and it's been going on for a while or whatever, and you just say, enough, that's it, no more, no thank you, I've had enough, I'm not going to do more, I'm done with whatever this is. And then notice how the people around you, the society, your socialization, their socialization, the biases, they look at you and they raise their brow. They're like, what? Who are you to say enough? Who are you to say stop? Who are you to stick up for yourself or say what you want or have boundaries? And they may try to guilt trip you or, pressure you to say, don't say enough, don't say stop. And they will look at you like you're rebelling, right? You're rebelling against society, you're rebelling against expectations, and it's not rebelling, it's healing. It is healing. A healed person is harder to manipulate. A healed person is harder to control. A healed person is harder to take advantage of. So be the healed person and just know that when that happens, that no, you're not rebelling. Yes, you're going against the grain. And if that's what you need to do to heal, then so be it. And it's the same thing when we have self-esteem. And that's about self-caring for ourselves. When you have self-esteem, you don't care about what someone else says about you or thinks about you or whatever. That's none of your business what they think about you. It's about how you think about yourself. So it's harder to take advantage of and be mean or whatever to someone that has self-esteem. So have your self-esteem. Just be aware of what other people are thinking in terms of how is that benefiting them for you to do whatever it was you're doing. So be healed, take care, self-care. Bye-bye.